Yes, gang, it's right. That's right. It's Poppy's other workshop. Hey, gang. There's two of them playing over there. There's this one. Oh, look back here. Say hello. Meow. Oh. Oh, I'm not hurting them. Oh, look. The black one's investigating me. The black one's asking himself, does this taste good? Can I eat it? Earlier this morning I came in here, and this one walked over and started climbing up my leg. This one right here. Do you know what it feels like to have those little claws going step by step, inch by inch up your calf? Oh. Yeah, what's out there, huh? Why is Mommy always munching something in that bowl, huh? Oh. And they're starting to play fight. Oh. Oh yeah, they're active. Yeah. Yeah, you'll learn about that in a hurry, okay? Oh no, no. Oh. Don't do that. Oh, that's nasty. And there's this one here. Hi. And these two. Oh.
What are you doing? Actually using the box?
Well, that one crawled in, and then she went over to that wet spot, and I saw her chewing on something.
Better not be that pissy gravel. You'll get sick and die.
Well, like I said, she was chewing on something there in the box.
That's disgusting.
Yes, I know. I said, ew.
Take her out of the box, then she don't need to eat shit. Die before she can hold it up herself.
Come here. Boom. Meow. Oh, yeah.
Wow, you're 4 weeks old.
Yeah. These four are going to be 4 weeks old in 24 hours. You see, they're nice and active. They're starting to get all over the place.
Nosy little boogers. Oh, no.
Okay, Rusty's the one that has the white paws.
Rusty's the one that's got the most orange.
Okay, Rusty was chewing on the door.
Yeah, no. No. Push him away from that. We don't want to open up damage. Don't let the cat chew on it. That's a no-no. Always chase it away from it. Don't let it eat the door. Are you hearing me?
Yeah, and he stopped eating the door. She come in. Ah, guess what?
What?
Dinner served. Oh. Well, dear, you got your wish.
What?
The one that looks like Rusty's playing with the mousey.
Good. Boy, I swear it's got palsy the way it walks.
Which one would that be?
It's the scrawny one. The gray one.
Oh, the one that got such a pretty face.
No, but Daniel had cats. Kittens that bored with that shit. Barely dragged your ass around when they got old.
Well, this one is able to play with that mousey. So, and
You gotta find the other toys involved with it.
Rusty and the other fat gray one, they're active.
No, cat.
See, this one's already playing with the pet mousey. I mean, the toy mousey. Here he comes. Come on. Meow. I don't know. I haven't seen any of them limping or dragging a leg.
Light gray one, got white feet.
He-
What's the one your back end? One back leg and one front leg. Got a waddle to the walk. It's palsy.
Yeah.
And I can't keep her balance. That rose it gray. Otherwise it's palsy.
And the musical chairs here at the dining room table is hotting up. These three are blocking all entrances so this one can't get to the table.
They both, they all want the same one. That's the problem.
Yeah.
Dumb cat. 8 bugs there. What's the problem? It's 20 for 2 for each of you. Why the hell you gotta have the same one? For Pete's sake.
Yeah. Meow. Come on now. There you are. Yeah. And let's just. There you go. Make room for your sibling.
Never be too much handling to make everyone.
Okay. Well, gang, that's 9 minutes and 30 seconds. Goodbye for now.